Hi everybody, Sam here from Frugalisama with another prize reveal for So Frugal 22. That's a challenge that we are running over on Instagram, Ruan and I from the Yorkshire Sew Girl, to make a garment during the month of March using a free pattern, using fabric from your stash. We've got over 70 vloggers involved with the challenge, so they're all here to give you ideas of different patterns that they've either tried themselves or that they're suggesting, or their inspiration videos. So today we've got Teresa, who is Lost My Thread on YouTube and Instagram. She's been looking at jumpsuits, and she's also taught you through some of the patterns that she's made, or some of the free patterns that she's made in the past as well. We've also got Crystal from My Social Thread. So she's a relatively new YouTuber, and she's very cleverly tied in free patterns that are associated with movies and TV shows, so that was an interesting one to watch as well. So I am recording a little bit later today, so I've been able to watch everybody's videos before I've got a chance to record, because I've been off grandma in today, so this might be coming out a little bit late to you, and that's why. So are you ready for today's prize reveal? It's a good one today. A lot of these prizes I'd like to win myself, but this one especially. So that's a classic subscription box to Sew Hayley Jane. If you watch any of Ruan's videos at the Yorkshire Sew Girl, she does a monthly unboxing of her Sew Hayley Jane subscription, and she actually subscribes to the classic box, and that's what today's prize is. So within the classic box you will get 2.5 meters of fabric. That could be a woven fabric such as a viscose or a cotton or a crepe, and then you will usually get some thread, a little gift. Sometimes the gifts are actually specifically made for the boxes, and then you get 4 fat quarters. There's also a little newsletter inside that gives you ideas of what to make with the fat quarters. I think Tamlin at Sewn on the Tyne writes that. I've never subscribed to any of these boxes, so I'm only going by what Ruan says on her video, and I will link her latest video at the end so you can have a look at the latest box as well. So the classic box is worth £35, and I think that's including free postage. So I think this prize will be UK only, otherwise you'll have quite a hefty charge to pay. So there are other subscription choices. There's a mini one, and I think that's cost something around about £20 a month, and there's less fabric in that one. And then there's the luxury one, which is about £60 a month, and that has got a pattern included and a little bit more fabric, and I think the fabrics are more like your art gallery fabrics and things like that. So that's a smashing prize I think today, and that will be going to one lucky winner. If you go to Sew Hayley Jane website and do decide that you want to have a try of them, if you're not a winner, then you're not tied in. You can cancel any time. It's not a minimum subscription of 12 months or 6 months or 3 months or whatever. Today I'm wearing my Celine jumpsuit, which you can't see really, so I'm going to stand up in a bit and show you. I thought I'd include the Celine jumpsuit because Hattie, handmade by Hattie, who did a video for us yesterday, mentioned it. She was talking about using an old duvet cover to make things, and I thought that was a smashing idea actually. That would be perfect for this jumpsuit. And Teresa was looking at jumpsuits as well, so I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to talk about this free pattern that I've made. So the Celine jumpsuit is available from the fabric store. I've mentioned the fabric store lots of times on my videos, and lots of the other vloggers have mentioned them. They've got lots of free patterns, and they go from sizes 0 up to size 30. That is from a 33-inch bust up to a 56-inch bust, and that is a maximum hip of 58 inches. Most of their patterns are actually designed for linens, but I will stick my neck out and say that most wovens are fine for it, especially like a cotton or something like that. I've made this one in a shirting cotton as it happens. So you'll need around 2.5 to 3 meters to make this. So I think Hattie's idea of making it from a duvet cover, an old duvet cover or an IKEA duvet cover that she was suggesting, it would be perfect for it. So I'm going to move over so you can see some of the finer details of this pattern. So it's got grown on sleeves, and it's just a faux wrap with an elasticated waist, and then it's quite a easy loose fitting trousers, and they are cropped. There's no reason why you can't make them like a play suit length, or lengthen them and make them full length if that's your preference. That's quite an easy change to make to them. So quite a relaxed fit, and they've got pockets as well included in the pattern, but that, again, if they weren't included, that's quite an easy thing to include. As you can see, it is sliding off my shoulders ever so slightly. I'm going to stand up and show you. So you can see it's a little bit loose here, and I tend to put a safety pin in there. I think it could be worn with a vest underneath or something like that. So I tend to wear it with a safety pin. So getting it on and off, it just slides off your shoulders. There's no zips or buttons. So obviously wearing a safety pin, it's just an extra step, so that's just something to keep in mind. I have got a link to how to download Fabric Store patterns because it's not as intuitive as you would think, so I will link to that little video as well as Ruan's video. Right, so that's it from me today. Let me know below what you think to the subscription box idea. Is it something that you would like? Do you think it'd be a nice gift idea? We've got Mother's Day coming up soon, it might be a nice Mother's Day gift idea. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That will tell you when I've got new videos out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.